What is going on, guys? It is Face, and today, now I've been waiting for this for ages, right? But it finally came. It took at least 5 days to come, and this is going to be my new main keyboard. But look, I can actually see myself in it, right? But look at that, deathstalker chroma. Now you might be thinking, oh my god, that's not the black. What? The well, you know, I didn't really feel like paying £150 for a keyboard, but you know, this one's just as good. So let's open it right now. It might be hard because I'm trying to do it with one hand, and if I'm right, there should be another. Yeah, there's another box inside it. So you really have, boom, there it is, and I think, yeah, it just opens up at the bottom here. Oh, and it's in all this protective thing because we don't want it getting damaged. Like, we don't want anything happening to this precious keyboard. Oh, oh my goodness. That is actually so cool. Oh, it's silent as well. It's like really, oh, I think, yeah, this is going to be really good. Now for the best part. Oh, that was amazing. Hello there. Right. But hopefully we've got some more stuff in here. We've got like the Razer stuff and that. Some Razers, well, they're actually quite smart. They're smart. And the Razer handbook type thing. Just gonna kind of leave this here, but yeah, guys, we made it. Oh my god, this is actually insane. And I've just been playing about with the little keyboard configuration. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the new Razer Deathstalker Chroma keyboard, right? This is going to be another addition to this setup because I don't know, all the real subscribers know who this guy is. But yeah, this has been Face, and I will see you guys in the next one.